A business plan is a written document that outlines a company's goals and how it plans to achieve them. It's essential for any entrepreneur starting a business or any creator starting a brand. There are a lot of components to a business plan, and all of them are extremely necessary in order to make your business profitable, and that's what we want. In order to do what we love, we have to make sure the business we're building and the brand we are growing is lucrative. The amount of money that you can make with your brand starts with your business plan. Here are the 3 most important sections you need to focus on when strategizing and creating your business plan for your brand. Create your deliverables plan. You can't just say, I'm going to start a business or I'm going to create a brand. What is your offering? No matter if you're an entrepreneur or a creative, you must have an offering or a deliverable in which you would like to make money from. Is your deliverable a physical product like a dress? Is it an ebook? Is it content? This is where you detail all of your products and services, breaking down how much it will cost to make them and how much money you will make from them once they are delivered to your customers. Take the time to sit down and work on your financial plan. You can't build a brand without a financial plan. It's the fuel behind everything you do for your business. Quite literally, it costs money to make money, and your financial plan will help you determine how much money you have to spend, where you are spending that money, and how much money you can expect to make. Really strategize and formulate your marketing plan. If you haven't already thought about this, you need to put some serious thought into how you're going to generate interest in your brand and how you're going to get people talking about what you're offering. This is where your marketing plan comes into play. It doesn't matter if you have the most incredible product in the world or if your content is insanely creative. If you aren't able to communicate what your brand is about and why it will add value to a specific person's life, you're doing yourself and your brand a disservice. Take the time to think about how you're going to get the word out about your new brand. Are you going to spend money on paid ads, or are you going to run a giveaway? Are you going to do a sneak peek of your product or offer a discount to people who sign up on your mailing list? The strategy that you build should be highly detailed. Your business plan should include all the necessary details that will help you create your business. You will have to give a lot of thought to your business plan, so you should start working on it right now. In our next video, we will continue building out your business plan by going over additional components you must have when writing a profitable business plan for your brand. See you then.